Hello friends, welcome back once again. Meet my buddy's new babies. He say hi to you. Let's take a look in this. Beautiful. There are two babies, one has rare color. They are very cute. There are three babies in this. One is very little. Hello yellow baby, she is red-eye. The white one is mommy. Hope you like Budgie's new babies. Now I'm going to check the box. Oh my god, there are 5 eggs. Let's take a look of other box. Hello little one, say hello to your subscribers. This is my white Budgies pair. Look, the babies are very small. Their eyes are still closed. Oh my god, such a blessing. Bye little ones. Hope you liked my video, please like and subscribe.